GTA 6 sells 6-1 on PlayStation 5 compared to Xbox Series X.
No, that is not the story you run with.
Gaming media, man. Seriously, this is the double standard we're living in, man. Every day is something. There was no way I was going to do this video. There was no way I was going to cover the story. It is just, I thought it's just a nothing burger. What's there to cover, really? I mean, honestly, what is there to cover, seriously? But no. People had to run with this one after another. Articles popped one after another. IGNs, Polygons, The Gamer, everyone, and then people on the Twitter just went mad. And then obviously, it became about Gears being exclusive. Suddenly, it became about Gears coming to PlayStation in the next year. Because why? It fucking had to. Because that's how it is. Xbox decides to compete, and everyone just fucking, it has to get on Xbox's case. That's how it has always been. That's how it has always been. Anyway, man, I mean, God, where do I even start? This all of this started with, I think IGN was the one. Let me quickly pull this article from IGN. Look at this. Okay, so this is how it started. All right, IGN Deals. IGN Deals on their Instagram page posted this. Our data shows that PS5 pre-ordering for GTA 6 outselling Xbox 6:1. And source is internal IGN finds reporting. That means people who are clicking on their affiliate links. Who the fuck are you, man, IGN? Who the fuck orders GTA through your affiliate links? How many people, guys, you tell me, how many people do you think will be ordering GTA 6 through IGN? Through IGN. Tell me honestly. And then, oh man, all of a sudden, the floodgates opened. Every other news website you can count, Push Square, fine, that's a PlayStation centric media reporter, fine, that's fine. Insider Gaming, The Gamer, Polygon, Vice. I'm just, this is the double standard. You know what? I'm not saying it won't sell 6:1 on PlayStation compared to Xbox. It 100% will sell more on PlayStation than compared to Xbox. It has three times the base. It has 3 times the install base. 100% will sell more on PlayStation than compared to Xbox. But first of all, this data is unconfirmed. And second of all, the Bungie thing just happened a few days ago. PlayStation laid off more than 400 people from Bungie. Almost entire, I think the entirety of was Destiny's team got laid off. And some people from the Marathon team as well. All of them just reported one article. Just one news, one corporate fucking piece on 400 people laid off. This is whatever. Herman has caused this necessary. But all of a sudden, this news breaks out and then they fucking run with it. Why? Because they had to milk this story. Because why? They have to milk Xbox story. Because that's how they get their clicks. And that's the double standard that fucking infuriates me, man. Like, see, genuinely, there was no way I was going to cover this article. There was no way I was going to cover this news. So this whole shit started with this IGN Deals Instagram post, and then people ran with it. Then it became so big, and it became about Gears as usual. It had to, because Gears looks so good, and people want that on their PlayStations, their preferred platforms. And suddenly, it's coming to PlayStation 5 in 1 year. Looking at the data, anyway, whatever. Then I remember, I think day before, I think last night, Destin came out and said that I had like direct word from Microsoft that the data doesn't. I think the data data doesn't represent the entirety of the truth. We actually have had like great pre-orders. Let me quickly pull that post. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. So I've seen the GTA 6 versus the GTA 6 PS versus Xbox pre-order claims making the rounds, and I heard from Xbox directly that we've had record orders. People should wait for the real data. Of course, they should wait for the real data, man. Your source should be IGN finds. Like, really? That should be your source? That should. How many you've milked this story? Last 24 hours, this is all I can see. Like, genuine, this is all I can see, because there's no other Microsoft story right now. Day before yesterday, was Xbox price hikes. They make that, and now they want to make this one. Why? Because this is about Xbox, and this is about the double standard that fucking infuriates me, and that's why. Man. Anyway, so Destin, I think, came out and said that, and today, Jez Corden again confirmed that they had direct work from Microsoft, and this is unconfirmed, and we should wait for the real data. This is what he said. Yeah, this is what it. Things are getting spicy with Xbox again. Everyone saw the GTA 6 pre-order chart showing PS5 way ahead. Windows Central can confirm that we've received a statement from Xbox spokesperson on this matter. In quotes, it says, "This doesn't represent the pre-order data. We've had record pre-orders. People should wait for the real data and not click on affiliate links." Exactly my point. This is the first time I'm reading this, guys. How can you milk? How can you write so many articles based on some shit data you got from people clicking on affiliate links? Even just a small IGN community. Oh my god. So Windows Central just confirmed. So this, I mean, I just, like, I have no words, guys. Genuinely, I mean, I never said, and I'm still not saying that it won't sell on PS5 more. 100% will sell more on PS5. But guys, this is what you run with. This is what you run with. Anyway, man, I just had to come out here and say my piece, and that's why I just did. This is Bilal from No Respawn, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.